So I'm thinking right now about sex, and I'm wondering why sex is not an ordinary activity that has no significance. I'm wondering why sex isn't like brushing your teeth or something. So I'm wondering why nature made sex so desirable for people. Maybe not enough babies will be produced. I'm wondering what's achieved by making sex such a big deal. Maybe it's genetic advantage somehow. But basically, sex doesn't have to be so enjoyable. But nature decided to make it a big deal, and I'm wondering why.